learning about MNCs, and here you should remember that MNCs came into being after 1991, the year of globalization. So in what way the MNCs are functioning, that is what we are going to learn today. And here we should remember that they have organized the production in a very complex way. So complex production. So the organization of production or planning of production is very complex. It is done in different countries. So how they made it very complex? Why it is said to be very complex? Because the production is taking place in different countries. Production is taking place in different countries. So here we will take the case of one MNC which is producing a car. We will take the case of automobile industry, and this is the MNC which is producing different types of cars, and they have their headquarters. Or the main company is there in USA, and from there they are organizing production and they are producing car. So we know that a car has got different components, and different components are made in different countries, and it is finally assembled in one place. For example, we take suppose the tires are manufactured, or it is the company to produce tires for this car is in India, and some of the parts like the gauges and all is produced in some other country like Germany. And the car is also having some components which requires artificial intelligence or AI, and China is the leading country for that technology. That components are coming from China, and the assembling unit is set up in different parts. One is in Mexico. So here they can sell those, it is close to East Europe, so they can sell the finished product in European countries, and they are making another type of car which is suitable for Indian conditions, so they may be having another assembling unit in India also. So two units can be there, another assembling unit in India. So, and what is the advantage of that? That is what we have to learn from that. We know how the price of a commodity is fixed. It is based on the cost of production. If the cost of production is high, the price will also be very high. Cost of production plus profit, that is what they take as price of a commodity. So if they bifurcate the production and they produce different parts in different countries, they can take the locational advantages. So India, we know that the natural rubber production is there, so they can keep the factory to produce tires with their technology here in India, and the labor cost is less, so they can reduce the cost through this way. And in the same way, Mexico is close to the market, so they can reduce the expenditure on the transportation. And in the case of China, as I told, the technology is better there, so they can they get the products at a much cheaper price. And Germany also is good for the various parts of the car. So technologically and the sophisticated technology, Germany is very famous for that. So that is a locational advantage for the company. So this is how they reduce the cost of production, and thereby they can sell the product at a cheaper, comparatively cheaper cost, because the cost of production is less. So the number of buyers will be more, for that their customers will be more, and they can make huge profit because of that. So better technology is there with the MNC, and they are collaborating with various other companies from these different countries, and thereby they can reduce the cost of production and they can increase the profit. The cost of production is less, and hence they can increase the profit. This is how multinational companies are functioning.